Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to show you how to change username on Mac. In addition, we'll tag Mac products within the video and include affiliate links to fantastic Mac products in the description below. To start, click on the Apple logo at the top left corner of the screen. A drop-down list will then appear. Click on System Preferences. Next, you'll see an option for Users and Groups. Click on Users and Groups. Now, click the lock to make changes. To allow, enter the administrator's username and password. After entering, click on Unlock. Now, right-click on the user profile you wish to change the username. Then click on Advanced Options. Now, enter the account name and full name you wish to use. After entering, click on OK. That's how you change username on Mac. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.